Hi, Richard. What is happening with the Cornelius Johnson oak?
We're very happy because a drip irrigation system has been installed. A team from Huntington Gardens came over a couple days ago and installed it. And we're very, very happy. This is one of the asks that our good friend Don Hodel made about 2 months ago, as this parcel, the whole parcel, got through the Cultural Heritage Commission and got kicked on to Plum to confirm its landmark status. So now we need to get an arborist out, and it looks like the city's going to pick up the slack on that. And so Don and the arborist will come here and get access to the property, as Huntington Gardens was allowed access to the property with the irrigation. We'll get access to the property, and this arborist and Don will confer, and we'll see if this tree can make it. I'm hopeful.
I am too. I'm feeling more hopeful than I've been since this whole thing started. Because
I'm so glad the drip irrigation is in. And so just to come back to some points for those that are paying attention, paying close attention, and have been following this, Don Hodel did want to think about tearing the concrete up, and after a lot of back and forth with other horticulturalists, it was decided, since the concrete's been here 40 plus years, let's just leave it, because it'll do potentially more harm than good. So for those that with their list, just take that off your list. And now all we need is an arborist and some trimming and good thoughts.
Good thoughts, more water, and I think that there's actually perhaps more growth since the last time we were here, which is interesting to see.
Yes.
It is a little still mildewy, but it's growing out of the trunk, which isn't great, but at least it's life. So let's get this to landmark status. Let's get a good arborist down, and let's see this oak live another 100 years.
Yes. This is really great.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm really happy to be here, and we're about to get some rain, so even more water for Cornelius Johnson's oak. I'm going to peep over the fence now. Thanks for all your good work, Richard. It makes a difference.
Thoughts have wings.
Thoughts do.